So, Los Angeles County is filing a lawsuit against Roblox, accusing the popular gaming platform of becoming a breeding ground for predators, with children repeatedly exposed to sexual explicit content. But Roblox is firing back in a statement to Fox and Friends, saying that the company, saying, quote, "We strongly dispute the claims in this lawsuit and will defend it against it vigorously. Roblox is built with safety at its core. While no system can be perfect, our commitment to safety never ends." Let's bring in LA criminal defense attorney Brian Claypool. Brian, what are the limitations here? Is it the company's job to put the roadblocks, no pun intended, so kids are safe, or is that parents' job?
Yeah, hey, Lawrence, great to be with you. That's the million-dollar question here, right? Isn't this about big tech versus parents, right? Is LA County trying to abdicate what parents are supposed to be doing? I mean, let's look at Roblox, Lawrence. They have user setting limits. They've got spending limits. You can't, for example, share any images on Roblox. So at the end of the day here, I think LA County is shifting the blame, right? And you've got parental controls as well on Roblox. So, and look, this is a platform. Why is that important? Because under federal law, a platform is not going to be liable for what somebody else is publishing. Let's say a predator is on there publishing something. That's not Roblox's job to stop them. They have a duty to monitor, and they do. They go out and they report if there is any predatory conduct taking place on the Roblox platform.
This is what the co-founder and CEO is saying. Watch.
We have designed Roblox, and we really have to think about parents who don't have the time or just give their youngster a phone. We are establishing what we believe will become the gold standard for safety and communication for all apps, which is knowing the age of every person on our platform.
I think the problem that the CEO is going to run against, Claypool, is that unlike the other lawsuit that's going on in federal court with Meta and all the other technology companies, that lawsuit is about the kids committing suicide. This is about criminal activity being on the platform, which is a little different.
Yeah, it is a little bit different, but you also have to prove legal causation. What does that mean? In California, I practice law here, you've got to prove in both those cases that the conduct of Instagram and the other case, Roblox here, that was a substantial factor in bringing about injury to a child. And that's where we get back, Lawrence, into the argument. Is this really a Roblox problem? Was it their conduct that caused the harm to a minor, or was it the failure of a parent to monitor their child? And that's really the big issue here. And look, Lawrence, you cannot look at this case in a vacuum.
No.
What do I mean by that? We've got to dig into what kind of controls do they have on Roblox, and is that really causing the problem here?
It's a fascinating case, and it's going to be debated out for a long time. Brian Claypool, thanks so much for joining the program.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.